Ayekho umuntu osho kanjalo.
That was your hair, bro.
It wasn't. That was a fly.
How do you say no to that, bro? Like, what?
Lo mntwana uyadelela lo. Noma ngaba cute uyadelela lo. Fuse hamba.
Tell her, fuck you. Mash. Yeah, go tell him.
Tyler started a live video. It's true. It's still on my phone.
I mean, do you follow her? Never mind.
Sikubonile wena Thando izolo. Uphuza uphana. No, Masha. Imphuza kanjani?
Puza.
You shut up.
That person's Xhosa. You know that's how you say kiss in Xhosa. I swear, bro, that language is fucked up.
Makeup at night, where you going?
She's coming with a sneaker.
I don't even have any makeup on.
She's coming with a sneaker too.
No.
Shut up.
No, Masha.
Where's your phone, bro?
No.
Your father.
She doesn't know how.
Hello, your father.
Yay. Did you see Misha's prank?
Shut up. Shut up.
No.
Shut up. Your father.
Shut up.
Becky Bussy. Becky Tana. Becky Tana Bussy.
Foot tag.
Shut up. Becky Bussy.
Lo mntwana lo.
Yo, bheka akagcwali bheka akagcwali mfana. Hayi kumntwana.
Wipe this shit up.
Hayi let's have a noodles wena bathi.
Akabani konje?
Son. Singwa.
That foot tag was too deep. Foot tag! Guys, this child. Tana, you're really swallowing the noodles. Yeah. Pink one? It was there. Miss. If it was not there, check in the bathroom. He was pranking Sasha by pulling you as his wallpaper. I don't give a shit, bro. I don't care. Whose child is that? Masha, what did people say, Masha? Masha put you on his wallpaper and Sasha was mad. Guys, it's YouTube. That shit is staged.
He zoomed in and there's a man looking at it. The most horrifying deaths faced.
Who's singing?
And the final one will be
Leona.
First, Aura Garcia.
Go watch. For what?
Was crossing the Meridian Street Bridge in East Boston when suddenly the bridge operator lifted it as the two parts of the bridge lifted.
For what?
Aura Garcia grabbed hold
Ngithi ngifunani ngoba ngisanandaba nabo kwethu.
Garcia's screams and quickly lowered the bridge to help her.
Ngithi ngiwatshela ini.
Garcia was crushed by moving plates. Amber Bellows, 28 years old,
Are you even chewing?
daring decision to jump off Mount Casado and climb the 7,276
Angas.
feet peak together and go
Hi man, you have my phone. I seen your phone. Give me my phone.
2,000 feet above the
No.
her parachute malfunctioned. Her husband saw this and jumped after her, but there was nothing.
Leon, are you making noise, bruh?
62 years old, was doing maintenance
You.
on a 35-foot-long pressure cooker. Assuming Jose was in the bathroom, one of his co-workers closed the door of the cooker. It was then turned on to about 270 degrees.
No one there, Pop.
When the cooker was open, the most horrifying deaths faced by people and the Can you draw a circle without a compass? Without a compass? How do you use a water bottle? Can't use that.
Masha, what you buying?
Futek, move away from him.
Paki pussy.
The thing is bamba wena. The thing is bamba. The thing is bamba. Listen.
Ay, man. You're not controlling me. Ay, you're too
No.
Yeah.
Bro, what did I do? It was panda, bitch. Move. Do that again.
You gangster.
I dare you. Do that again.
Yeah.
I dare you.
Ah, what did I do?
Masha, did you fall?
This man dug a hole at the back of his garden, and you'll never believe
Oh.
what he discovered. Patrick
Masha
was
Fuse,
born
go,
by
go.
Patrick.
Can you take this child?
This house once belonged to his childhood best friend Emily, but just as Emily was about to hand over the keys to him, she mentioned something that left Patrick revealed a secret that only she knew.
Tando.
Something astonishing lay buried at the back of the
Yin,
garden.
unchikela.
Mystery was never explored.
Unchikela badulu bami.
Ima man wena man kanti yini ngawe man. Ay, ingane engako uyithatha.
Beneath his garden, but his efforts also drew the attention
Kubani?
of curious neighbors who laughed
Can you see?
for hunting imaginary
Usuna wakho so.
Patrick remained convinced there was something of significance waiting to be uncovered. Patrick decided here's when the mystery began to unravel. After a long day of digging, he finally discovered what appeared to be an underground bunker. But when Patrick entered the
Mas.
bunker, you won't believe what it looks like inside. Press the follow button for part 2. This man dug a hole at the back of his garden.
Ish, I'm sorry.
What he discovered.
Um,
Patrick had recently bought a charming house.
Can you see
situated
Undwan?
in
No.
Texas. This house once belonged to his childhood best friend Emily, but just as Emily
Mntwana yathukana yo. Nangakunyisa umntwana. Bomba. Sekayakha. Yeah, go tell mama. Go tell Mr. T. Wena uzothuwile ne? Go. Uzothuwile.
Angizothi ngimshayile ntwana. Ngangeke ntwana. Ingane encane kangaka fuck you pussy. Hayi. Uyaphula mntwana ngosikabeni.
She heard those words from you, Mos. Not Evans, eh?
This house is cold. Auntie just looked through the curtain to see who's crying and she carried on with her life.
Stop.
Okay, last one. You know, one of my shaman pay.
Uyayifuna.
Man. Ngithanda ukuba inkinga man.
This sign up here, it means there is a locator here. Have you learned it? Follow me. Learn safety tips every day. Look.
Ima man. Amanoodles amnandi lawa angathi offside. That's what the mama pay.
Guys, I am chewing. What the fuck?
Ibo. Ay Masha so ya performer no. Please no.
Go get them.
No, I need you to get them. So like, you need to be the one that says, Mr. T, Couple of movies to make for pen. Oh God. Mina mangamcela uzothi aphelile.
Uzoba namani kune-box.
Amaforomo namabox ayinophuthu nebox nokudrophile amaningi. Hey bo, wanothi u-antathu ishanga?
Thank you. No.
Ale ikhalile ukhala le. Ikakele le ngane. Bekishitabile le. Oh, ishitaba ngevike. Hayi sis. Mina ngifuna ingane ekakayo.
Wena ukaki?
Wangibona ngikaki. Ah. Laba bathu beautiful babonani.
Lento ibonile wena.
Oh! Yes, sis. Yini ukwatile? Ibha ingaka.
Bizarre piano baby. Toys for children that's... 3 animals reach heaven. A monkey, a dog, and a tiger. The very angry lion god must decide if they stay in heaven or go to hell. He goes to the tiger and asks him, what is the worst sin?
The baby is
The
hungry.
tiger responds,
Hungry shit.
One day I was playing with my cousin near a waterfall when I suddenly pushed him and he fell to the bottom of the water.
That's a
It was
ball.
never my intention.
Alright.
Please have mercy on me, Your Majesty.
the lion god continues asking more questions, and at the end he says, you committed very atrocious sin and you will go straight to hell. The lion god asks the monkey, what is the worst sin you have committed? The monkey responds,
Your Majesty, one day I was very hungry.
Leona,
From another monkey,
please let me meet you.
myself, and also my family. Please have mercy.
the lion god continues asking him more questions, and in the end he says,
You have your own legs and hands.
the lion approaches
Go
the
make
dog
yourself
and
tea.
asks, and you tell me what is the worst sin?
Awunamfazi.
Come on, babe.
The dog answers,
Unomfazi?
I ate a lion that asked me many questions.
the lion god answers,
Thank you.
3 animals reach heaven, a monkey, a dog, and a tiger.
Does this buga la ekhaya?
Let's play.
What? Fortnite. No, we just won a crown, but like, bangayiluza le account uzolahla idili yethu uyakwazi uyafaka.
Manje uplane ukuyidlala nini?
Masibuye sansi.
Hayi angeke.
Trey, this is the most beautiful thing I've ever read in my entire life. This right here is wow. But it didn't end there. Who drew something? Oh, it's me, I think. Trey, he drew something else. Oh, this is the
Yakini inkinga yenu nina?
Bayibhlokha abantu.
Charizard.
Ekunzima.
For being so real with this thing. Drop a VR
Can I please lay your edges? Can I please do your makeup for a video?
until this happened.
Hey, you see, I'm a big fan of
If 10 of you say yes before anyone says no, we have to do the video.
After realizing the gravity of the situation, he dropped the app.
my dad has passed away, and since
So
that
no, you want to drop a little
So it has to be yes in a row. With no no's.
With no no's.
Or give up Reese's. A man rescued
That's a yes. Laura was expect. 1, 2,
very unusual. The man took it home, but it seemed very
4,
even when the man
5,
Can someone comment no?
6,
gradually its body
7,
began to turn red.
8. I know, 8.
Realized that it was about
Oh.
to shed its skin.
8,
Stayed by its side,
9,
patiently keeping it company.
10. Nazo.
Soon after, its scales started to fall
Let's
off,
go shoot.
revealing a fiery color.
Do you have your whole makeup thing? But you already taught me the blending shit, so you good.
Into an astonishing fire dragon.
Okay, let's do this.
It now
I show you makeup in the morning. You rock that makeup the whole day.
No.
still accompanies
If we get 10 more yeses,
enjoying
I could never tell you. Nazila, Namahi,
rescued and dropped.
died in a room, a place with your dog or cat? Yeah. Cats, from this fact, I believe are way more evil than dogs now. In a
have an AC.
start from the neck down.
Ngikumphinda.
Unezandla neenyawo.
Sokunjani?
Ufunani? Ufunani?
Yebo drive.
Ekabani? Angijule nomasha wena wachithe yakho sofune yami.
Umasho chise yami ushukuthini?
Ngitheni? Ngisho ngithini? Elu repeat le nto engisho. Yeah.
Where's Cave one? Fair enough.
Ngisho ngithini? Hard master to better scoop. Better scoop. Masho better scoop. Better scoop. Lamanulu uzwa msho abanda. Yes simntwana udla slow.
Ungenaphi wena? Ngoba kusawakho.
Bathi you all could make a perfect couple.
Ungenaphi?
Why ungiphoxa ngenzeni? Ngikwenela i-crown.
No, I want that crown, sir.
Bongiyiwini mahlanje.
Mara yini engibaqedile. Ngibulale wonke bayi.
How many people did you kill? I killed 5.
I definitely killed more than you.
Yes, 6.
Put a finger down, bad kid edition.
Sasha arepanda uwele he what?
But I promise you, only the naughtiest kid can put their finger down on the last one.
Uthi ngosasha?
Down if you've ever cheated on a test.
Uthi nguyini?
Put a finger down if you've ever stayed up past midnight.
Ngisho nethi mfana ngingakaboni asho yena
Put a
sen.
finger down if you subscribed and liked the video. Put a finger down if you've ever gotten in trouble at school. Put a finger down if you've gotten grounded. Put a finger down if you've lied to the first person that pops up.
Ah, baby, that's what. Oh.
Put a finger down if you've ever sneaked snacks into your room.
That's why you didn't want to get me because you know what's pretty easy.
And they got mad.
I only finished it when you asked for it.
Put a finger down if you've broken something and hidden it.
You enjoy chili fries.
Type in the comments how many fingers. Put a finger down, bad kid edition. If you put more than 5 fingers, you're a naughty kid. But I promise you, only the naughtiest kid can put their finger down on the last one. Put a finger down if you've ever cheated on a test. Put a finger down if you've ever stayed up past midnight without getting caught. Put a finger down if you've lied to the first person that pops up after you click share and more. Put a finger down if you've ever sneaked snacks into your room.
Escape truth.
Put a finger down if you've pranked someone and they got mad.
Sikuzwile. Ngitheni guys?
Put a finger down if you've broken
Why
someone.
you babuza now? Now they're gonna comment one word, all of them in a line. Big. Boo!
If you do this little trick, your face
Boo.
will look much better. But how is this done?
Boo!
But first, if you think this puppy is cute, give it a like and
I want this
subscribe.
dog, bro, but it's so expensive.
Put a finger.
If you do this,
I made a chopper. It can fly. The mother took the chopper outside and smashed it to pieces. You're a stubborn and stupid girl. How many times will I tell you? There's nothing like a female pilot. Focus on your cooking skills. But mom, I can still cook as well. You will never succeed in life. Listen to your parents. It was the last 6 hours of Jesus' life. His hands were tied to a stone. The soldiers kept whipping him, but he didn't let out a single cry. He stood firm. Then they struck the inside of his
Tell me as
stomach.
what?
The intense pain made his
Mina
body
ngithi
shake
ngiphi
and
truth.
weaken. But with sheer willpower,
You're
he
fucked
stood up
up.
again and again. Seeing this, the soldiers switched to a whip with spikes. They waved it in front of his eyes, trying to instill fear in Jesus. After taking him, striking him,
Why am I moving Jesus out mlungu?
and was taken back
I'm
to the
doing-
dungeon, but the soldiers still didn't let him go. Later, they took Jesus to the top of the hill. They laid him on the cross, fastened his hands and feet to it. Blood flowed down
Hey,
from the
nami
nails
iBhayibheli
onto the
shela.
ground,
bebangifundela ukuthi ngifunde.
Until it dislocated. Jesus was completely fixed in place. Lifted up on the
Jesus wenzima umtrapa wanga.
Jesus knew he was about to die.
Uthi bekaganga.
Kuchi.
He even prayed for those
Kuchi.
who tormented him. At the
Kupa favor ntwana.
the heavens reacted with anger.
Kuchi.
The last 6 hours of Jesus' life,
Kuchi.
his hands were tied to a stone. The soul,
Why is your phone on airplane mode?
but he didn't let out a single cry. He stood
My phone's not in
Kupa
anything.
favor
on the inside of his thighs. The intense pain made his body
Kuchi.
instinctively heal. But
Say Tando wants to.
he stood there.
Don't do that.
Let's paint a lot of people. For every
Hey, yiphi le filter lengingasaboni lapha emuva kwakho la. Hey, mnandi.
pointer finger also 13. And every comment 10 more meals. And your
Panda, you betrayed. Yini besayine yiphi contract? Ngicela phone wakho.
This guy found an ancient Premier League.
Listen carefully. Only 1% of people can solve this riddle. A woman is found dead in her house with the lights off. The police question the family members and hear these alibis. The husband
You guys,
says
you're
that
namehlo
he
yazi.
was at a friend's
Yo,
house,
ayishebeza amehlo wenu ayabona.
and the dog says he was sleeping
Even
in
your
his bed. The police immediately arrest the
Nyezwa.
culprit. Who did it and how did
What's
they
it?
know? What do you think? Leave your answer in the comments down below. Listen carefully.
Guys.
Only 1% of people can
Thank you
solve
very
this
much.
riddle. A woman is
Thank you
found
very
dead in her
much.
house with the lights off. The police question the family members and hear these
I don't
alibis.
find you
The
funny.
husband says he
Open
was at
it.
the gym.
You don't find me
The daughter
funny,
says
really?
He was at a friend's house.
Is
The
that
son
like-
says
huh?
he was studying in his room, and the dog says he was sleeping in his bed. The
Why would you
police
do
immediately
that?
Do what?
guy held some stranded
Open the can you told me to open.
get back to their homes.
Open it like that. The fuck?
But the ending was unexpectedly hilarious. Out of the blue, one of the creatures
When's that, Lomo?
when these creatures hit the water, their tentacles spread out.
Hey,
And he
Bill.
was really amazed by how they
Their
looked.
testicles.
Feeling compassionate, he decided to help them get back to the ocean. He started with 2, then helped 4 more. Even
Here's the
though he felt
wallpaper.
like he could have helped more,
I don't know
he was
what you
pretty
guys saw.
satisfied. The next day, he brought a bigger container and was really pleased with the results. But on the 3rd day, he felt completely exhausted. When he told the doctor about his experience, the doctor couldn't help but laugh at him. A guy
Shan.
held some stranded mysterious creature.
Ubhekela ama-shorts man. Thank
He was
Eish.
Huh? Yeah, you did.
unexpectedly hilarious.
Mara, Mara.
Yes,
Uyachita.
Oh, yeah.
Eish. You know the scrub lab.
Have you seen the Claire Miller TikToks? Nah. She like posts lip syncing and just a random dancing TikTok on her page. And one day it all switched. She started posting evil like TikToks.
Maria,
Yeah,
please take this to
everybody
the
was
kitchen.
saying that it was because she was getting bullied in school, right? So back, she has
There
a
you go.
sister, and her sister is disabled. And when she was bullied, she would cope it with
My bun is even.
she would start seeing these things. And
Yeah.
the ghosts are telling her, oh yeah, you should unalive yourself. She got so into it that she went into the kitchen fence, she grabbed a knife.
Oh,
she
thank
started
you.
stabbing the ghost, she said. So then she shook out of it. It was her disabled sister that she was stabbing the whole time. Have you seen the Claire Miller TikToks? Nah, really? She would like post lip syncing.
What?
and just
What are we
random
calling?
dances
What?
On her page. And one day it all switched. She started posting evil like TikTok. Like emo. Yeah, like emo. Yeah. Everybody was saying that it was because she was
Oh,
she has a sister. And her sister
I think we sit at the bed with the weed.
bullied, she would cope it with
hayi wena man ukhona
seeing these things. And the ghosts are telling her
Wait.
got so into it that she went into the kitchen bench, she grabbed a knife, she started stabbing the ghost, she said. So then she shook out of it. It was her disabled sister. Damn. That she was stabbing the whole time. Have you seen the Claire Miller TikToks? Nah, really? She would like
Whenza?
ways people have died. Comes that Carlisle, a 9-year-old boy, was responsible for collecting the bats from players during baseball games. When he went to retrieve one,
Guys.
he didn't realize one of the players was practicing his swing and got hit directly in the head. The boy was wearing a protective helmet as required by the rules, but the impact was so severe
Can I see?
that he died
Oh, man.
3 days later in the hospital.
Guys, bye bye.
18 years
I'll come back.